What's going on, guys? Happy Easter and celebrate Easter, guys. I'm going to make the Easter egg cocktail, or specifically the Rolo cocktail. So I will show you guys how to make it. So get your Easter egg. I've got a Rolo, as you can tell. So what I'll be using is a free combination of Bailey's chocolate, Amarula and sugar syrup. First ingredient in the shaker, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of Bailey's chocolate, 50ml or half an ounce of sugar syrup. And the last ingredient, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of Amarula. So it's a very boozy cocktail, this one. Because it's my own creation as well. I'll shake 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. And now let's strain into your Easter egg or chocolate egg. And now we're going to garnish with 4 Rolos. Perfect, the final thing to do now, let's put straw. Does it taste? My Rolo cocktail, or my Easter egg cocktail. Rolo cocktail, I'm going to call it. It's my own creation, this. It's beautiful, that. Really, really nice, that is. So it's a little bit sickly, as you imagine, with chocolate liquor like that, but it's really, really nice, and it's perfect for Easter if you do celebrate, or if you just want to garnish with a chocolate egg. It's a very nice decoration. I recommend it. I give it a 10 out of 10, but I am very biased. But it's certainly a nice cocktail. I'm very, very happy with that. Happy Easter, everyone. If you all have an awesome Easter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, and I will see you guys for my next cocktail video. Cheers.